Thinking of buying from Mlsqcv.shop? Let's break it down because if something feels off, there's usually a reason why. Quick disclaimer before we begin: everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Mlsqcv.shop doesn't have an official web store presence or any real reviews out there. That alone is a red flag. No Trustpilot profile, no legit teaser feedback, and no product details you can verify. That's a lot of missing info for an online store. The site seems to appear out of nowhere with little to no trace of who runs it or what you're actually getting. It's hard to trust a shop that leaves zero digital footprint, especially in 2025 when transparency should be the norm. For the final verdict, if you're wondering whether MLSQCV.shop is worth your time or money, would say probably not. With no trustworthy sources backing it up, you're better off skipping this one. Got burned by MLSQCV.shop or had a good experience? Drop a comment and stay tuned for more straightforward reviews before you hit buy. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.